Hello guys, how to fix Windows 11 not recognizing USB device? And to resolve this issue, first method is go to Windows search, type edit power plan in search field and click on edit power plan options. Control panel windows will open here. Here click on change advanced power settings. Power option window will appear, and here go to the USB settings option, click on it. Thereafter USB selective suspend settings, click on it and change the option disabled on both the option on battery as well as plugged in option. You should change, make disable both the option, and finally click on apply and then OK button to save the changes. The second method is go to the start button, right click on it and choose device manager. In device management, go to view and click on show hidden devices. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option universal serial bus conductors option. Expand it and here you will find USB device. Click on power management or uncheck the option and apply and OK. Third option is again go to device manager, right click on it, choose update driver, select first option, and these you should apply update driver for all the USB drivers.